Hello, hi everyone, this is Ganesh, and in this video I'm going to solve a few problems related to trigonometric ratios and trigonometric identities related problems we are going to solve. Yes, we all know that most of the students feeling difficult to solve these kind of problems. Already I have prepared one video in nearly 3 problems I solved. If you want to see that, you can see. And in this video also I'm going to solve more few problems related to identities. And I told you that one thing, that is, if there is any other ratios that other than sine and cos, so that we have to write in terms of sine and cos, then easily we can solve it. Here there is a problem, you see, under root 1 plus sine a by 1 minus sine a is equal to secant a is equal to tan a. We have to show that. So here I am going to take the LHS part and slowly we have to simplify, and we have to prove that is secant a equal to tan a. In these kind of problem, just we have to keep it in our mind the answer. Then based on that answer we have to move the steps and slowly we have to go to that RHS part. So here I am going to take the question, that is 1 plus sine a. Generally in that question already sine is there, so no need to convert into any other ratios. But is there any other possibilities there? Means just I am multiplying this given expression with 1 plus sine a by 1 plus sine a. Both numerator and denominator we are multiplying with the same expression, that is 1 plus sine a by 1 plus sine a. Because in the denominator 1 minus sine a is there, it's like rationalizing the denominator, such kind of thing this is. So if we multiply, what will happen? Let us see. In the next step we can multiply both the things, then what we'll get, let us see. So if we multiply 1 plus sine a into 1 plus sine a, if we multiply these two, then what happen? Both are same expression, that is 1 plus sine a whole square divided by, this is 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. In this way we can write it. The reason I can write 1 square a square minus sine square a. After this, here I can write that here 1 plus sine a as it is I am writing, there is no change, sine a square by, but here 1 square is 1 only, but 1 minus sine square equal to cos square, because the identity we have sine square plus cos square is equal to 1, then sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So if you want anything, for example cos square, you want 1 minus sine square, we can write. So according to this, here 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square under cos square a under root. But if we apply this root for both numerator and denominator, then what happens? The square and square gets cancelled. Here also squares gets cancelled with the square root. Finally I got 1 plus sine a by cos a. But I need the answer is secant a plus tan a, secant a. But how do we get? Here two terms are there. The reason, the given expression I can write in the form of 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. But we all know that 1 by cos a is equal to secant a plus sin a by cos a equal to tan a. So this is the expression, we got it. Finally we proved. What is the answer they asked? You see here. So this we are going to prove secant a plus tan a. Yes, finally we got the same thing, secant a plus tan a. So in this way we can solve these kind of problems. Yes, here is another problem, that is 1 by cos minus cos is equal to tan theta into sin theta. So here I am going to take 1 by cos theta into minus cos theta. So that equal to, I'll take the LCM. If I take LCM, what happen? Cos into cos, cos square theta by cos theta. But that we have to prove tan and sine. So tan and sine means, here you see, generally 1 minus cos square is equal to sine square theta. We all know that, and by cos theta. But sine square means sine into sine. That means I can write sine theta by cos theta into only sine theta separately, because sine square is there. So numerator to product of sine theta into sine theta. So sine theta by cos theta equal to tan theta into sine theta. So we proved. So that is the thing we needed here. You see, tan theta into sine theta is tan theta into sine theta, we got it. So normal simplification, this is easily we can solve it. Yes, here another problem, that is secant A into 1 minus sine A into secant A plus tan A. So simplify this side. So secant is secant tan theta. I told you, just write in terms of sine and cos. So secant theta I can write 1 by cos A into 1 minus sine A, because already it is in sine ratio. The reason, again, one secant is 1 by cos A, and plus tan I can write the sine A by cos A. So after simplification, what I'll get here, I multiply these two, then 1 into 1 minus sine A, 1 minus sine A by cos A, 1 minus sine A by cos A, and 2, here I'll take the LCM cos A, and here 1 plus sine A. Then if I multiply both expressions, here 1 minus sine A and 1 plus sine A, then A square minus B square, that is A square, that is 1 square is 1 only, minus sine square A by cos into cos cos square A. But 1 minus sine square, we all know that cos square A by cos square A, both are same, cancel it, and 1 is the answer. So this is the way of doing these kind of problems. Here is another problem, that is, show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here I am going to take the LHS part, that is cosecant theta given already, and in the place of cosecant theta I will write 1 by sin theta, minus cot theta I can write cos theta by sin theta whole square. Then if I simplify the inside the bracket, take the LCM, that is sin theta, 1 minus cos theta. The square I can apply for both numerator and denominator now. After this, I can write the numerator 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, because 1 minus cos theta whole square means the same expression we can write, we can multiply two times, and then the down one I can write sine square. In the place of sine square I can write 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, according to that identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So in the place of this I can write this. Then so this I can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by, but it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square I can write a plus b into a minus b, that is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So if I cancel 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, finally I got that answer 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this is the result we needed. Here you see, this we are going to show that, so that we got it 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So these are the problems I solved related to trigonometric identities. Just if you are not understanding, one more time you watch this video. If you really like this video, press that like buttons and put the comments and share these videos to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.